व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण पाहणार आहोत अरेमधला न्यू टॉपिक दॅट इज ॲडिंग अँड अरे एलिमेंट. ओके, सो ॲडिंग अँड अरे एलिमेंट means what? Assigning new element or inserting new element. Now there are three ways. In this way we can add the element to the array. This is the first way. This is the first way. Now what is the first way? In this way what we are doing, array name of index is equal to value. That means we are storing the value into the array at specified index. Okay, now if we have to store the element at the end, then we can specify here length of array. If we pass the here length of array, then this value will be placed into the array at the end. Now next, one more way to add the element at the end of array, that is a push method. Okay, array name dot push method, and if we add this item, this item will be added at the end of array. Okay, now one more method is there, unshift. This unshift method will add the element at the start of array. What we are doing, this method will add the element at the start of array. Now here color is array name dot unshift blue. Now blue is a item which is added into the array at the start. If we see here array, blue is added at the start, pink is added at the end. Okay, now let us see a program. Now if we see this program, then in this program we can found that so initially head tag is defined, head tag, HTML tag is defined, head tag is defined, then body tag, inside the body tag script tag, because the program is of JavaScript. Now here where array number, okay, where array number is equal to new array red green blue. Now array number is the name of array. In this array red green blue these items are added. Now document dot write h1. Now h1 is a hidden tag we are using for displaying the name in bold and larger size. Document dot write array number. So this document dot write array number, this statement will display all these elements red green blue in on the browser. Now document dot write h1 tag complete slash h1, so it will complete the heading tag. So what will happen, array number will display in h1 tag. Okay, now document dot write break tag, so this will causes control goes to the next line. Now array number dot unshift method we are using, and black, so that now black is added at the initial of the array, at the start of array. Array number dot push white, so white is added at the end of array. Array number of 2 gray, so what happened, so at the second position of array gray element will be added. Now document dot write h1, document dot write array number, document dot write h1 tag complete, and break tag, so this will display this array number again head tag. Now if we run this program, now you can see this initially output will be red green blue, and after adding the elements black white, what will be the output, let us see. Now black will be at the start and white will be at the end. So if we run this program, we are getting the output. Now if we see, before doing any operation red green blue, and after doing operation black is added at the start and white is added at the end. Black is added because of unshift method, and white is added because of which method, push method. If we see here, black is added because of unshift method and white is added because of push method. Okay, and gray is placed at second position. If we see this output 0 1 2, at the second position gray will be placed. Okay, now next point we'll see, that is sorting of array. Now sorting means what, assigning the values into the ascending order or descending order. Now let us see the method sort. This sort method reorders the value assigned to the element of array regardless of index element to which value is assigned. Okay, it's very simple. The only sort function we are using for performing this activity. Okay, array name dot sort. Now let us see the example. Now in this example, if we see HTML tag, head tag, body tag, inside the body script tag. Now where array of color, new array. So we have taken how many colors? 6 color names: white, red, green, blue, yellow, and black. Okay. Now head tag document dot write h1 array of color document dot write h1 tag complete, so that these names are displayed inside the head tag. Okay, as it is in the same sequence: white, red, green, blue, yellow, black. But when we call the sort method, after calling the sort method, again if we display this array color, then it will display in sorted order. Okay, so let us see the output of this program. So white, red, green, blue, yellow, black. Now this is not sorted order. This is a default order in which we are providing the input, and this is the output after calling the sort method. Okay, so I hope that you understand all the topic, and you can implement all the topic. So let us stop.